Hi guys. Hi. Hi everyone. Hi. Okay, straight to my channel. So today I'm going to speak about ladies. I'm going to speak about women. I'm going to speak, this is only for the ladies, yeah? So there's this thing that I come to notice, or I just came to realize, that women, we need to wake up. With this I mean we need to wake up. Like, we need to act. We need to always use our brains. Use our brains. This is very important. So the thing is, we as women, we have to know that we can never wait for somebody to make us happy. We are responsible for our own happiness. Nobody in this world is responsible for your own happiness. You are responsible for your own happiness. You. You. You watching me. You in the house. You wherever you are responsible for your own happiness. Ladies, you have to wake up. You have to open up your eyes. You have to open up your ears. Your ears. You have to open up your brains. Your brains. Don't sit back there in the house and wait for somebody to make you happy. Don't do that. That's wrong. You have your eyes, your ears, and your brains, and you have your hands. These hands, you see these hands? You can use your hands. You can use your legs. Wake up from where you are. Go outside. Get a job. Make yourself happy. Don't wait for a man to make you happy. Don't. Women, we have to wake up. We have to get rid of this old myth that we are not supposed to work. Who said that? Who said a woman is just meant to sit in the house and wait for the man to bring bread in the house to support the family? Who said that? That was in the past. Times have changed, and you have to stand up. You have to decide what you want in life. You have to decide what is important for you. Nobody is responsible for your own happiness. It does not matter if you're married, you are single, you are divorced, you are engaged. It has no meaning. The thing is, you yourself, you are responsible for your own happiness. Create your own happiness. Nobody is outside there to work for you. Get that? Nobody. Not even your husband. Nobody. And if you miss something, don't blame your husband, because he is not responsible for your own happiness. You are responsible for your own happiness. You know, it's difficult to understand why some of us women are always dependent on men. Why? Why do we have to depend on men? Why? We are in the 21st century. And this is not the century where you sit and wait for a man to lift your life up. Don't sit there and wait for him to bring you up. No, no. Go lift yourself up. You have your life in your hands. Your life is here. You have to know what you want with your life. There's so many opportunities outside there. Go get them. There's so many things to be done, to be accomplished. Go for it. Stand up. Go from your bed early in the morning and go outside like any other man. Go. Get some cash. Bring money in the house. Don't sit back there and complain. What are you complaining for? What? If you cannot make yourself happy, don't even try to complain. Don't try. Don't try. We are in the 21st century, and this is our time. Women, we have to stand up. We have so many opportunities. There's so many opportunities outside there. We are not only meant to stay in the house, to clean, to wash, and to cook. That's not the definition of a woman. And reproduce. That's not the whole definition of a woman. We are meant also to make decisions, to know what we want, and to stand up and decide what is good and what is not good for us. We have to care for ourselves, and this means making yourself happy. Make yourself happy. You are seated in that house with a man who is just humiliating you, who is bringing you down, and you are just seated there. I don't know what you're waiting for. Don't expect manna from heaven to come and get and perform some wonders. Don't expect that. Raise your voice. Raise your voice and know what you want in life. Don't stick your ears in that marriage, a marriage that is not even there to lift you, a marriage that is not there to make yourself progress. Waste your ears with somebody who is just there to humiliate you, to misuse you, and to disrespect you because he is a man. Don't do that. Don't allow that. You're waiting for him to change. You're waiting for him to do that what you want. Use your brains. Use your brains. Use your brains and know what you want. Know who is responsible for your life. This is your life. Your own life. Not his life. Not any of his whatever. That's your soul. Your soul. You have to take care of this good soul of yours. You have to take good care of your soul. If you want to be happy, know and go for that happiness. Go for it. We are living in the 21st century. Don't wait there for some miracles to happen. Go and get something for yourself. Go. Don't sit there and waste your ears. Don't sit there and waste your life with somebody just because he is a man. Don't do that. Use your brains. We are not living in the ears of our grandmothers and grandfathers. Remember that time there were no schools. There was no education. There was nothing supporting the women. But right now, every other organization outside there is supporting women, and they are waiting for women to raise their voices. They are fighting for the rights of our women. So who are you? Who are you? You are not living in that century. Change. Wise up. Wise yourself up. Change. Change yourself. This is for the goodness of you, your kids, and your own soul. Think about it. Okay? Girls, ladies, listen to this thing very carefully and take the word seriously. Go spread this message to the others, to everyone outside there, and give me a thumbs up if I deserve it, and let's spread the message to the girls. Okay? Happy Valentine's. Bye.